when you're out in the middle of nowhere, just leaving Gillette, Wyoming, and there's two of us, the twinners, going down the road. So we have a 43 V13 and a 4013. And then out of nowhere comes a big white dually. Here comes the Valor. And he's pulling a 42 V13.
We're all white trucks.
And we're all white trucks. We're all family, and we're all Valors. How cool is that? So you know when you're rolling with the best that it's going to show up across the country. So all I can say is hashtag always Alliance.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.